Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best FM Bluetooth transmitters that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium device with advanced features, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off with our number 5 pick, we have the Scosche BTFM9 FM Bluetooth transmitter. This device blends simplicity and utility, making it a solid option for basic needs. Key highlights include dual charging ports, one USB-C and one USB-A, each offering 12 watts of power. It's an excellent choice if you regularly need to charge 2 devices simultaneously while on the road. The design is straightforward, with a minimalistic layout that prioritizes ease of use. It plugs directly into your car's cigarette lighter socket and features buttons for volume control, play pause, and call management. This transmitter also supports voice commands via Siri and Google Assistant, making it a convenient option for hands-free use. While the build quality is decent, it lacks the premium feel of higher-ranked models. In terms of performance, the Scosche BTFM9 offers reliable wireless connectivity for music streaming and calls. However, the sound quality is average, and it doesn't include advanced noise cancellation features. This transmitter is ideal for users who want a no-frills option with universal compatibility for devices like iPhones, Androids, and MP3 players. The main downside is its somewhat limited feature set compared to other options in this price range. Overall, it's a good mid-tier choice for casual users. At number 4, we have the IMDen Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter, which stands out as the most affordable option on this list. Priced at just $14.99, it's perfect for budget-conscious buyers who still want a reliable and functional device. This transmitter features 2 USB ports, including one Quick Charge 3.0 port for fast charging. The ability to charge 2 devices simultaneously is a big plus. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and install. The buttons are well placed for intuitive operation, and the LED display provides basic but sufficient information, such as current FM frequency. Despite its budget-friendly price, the IMDen transmitter includes noise suppression technology for clearer calls and offers decent audio quality for music playback. However, the sound may not be as crisp as some of the premium models. While it lacks advanced features like customizable lighting or a flexible display, the IMDen transmitter excels in delivering solid performance for its price. It's best suited for users who want a straightforward plug-and-play solution without breaking the bank. The main drawbacks include its simpler interface and slightly less polished audio quality. But for under $15, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Coming in at number 3 is the Nulaxy car Bluetooth FM transmitter, model KM18. This transmitter offers a great balance of features and affordability, making it a favorite among many users. With its 1.44-inch LCD display, you can easily view information like FM frequency, incoming calls, and car battery voltage. The flexible gooseneck design lets you adjust the screen to your preferred angle, which is especially handy for taller vehicles. The Nulaxy KM18 supports Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a stable connection for music streaming and hands-free calls. Its noise cancellation technology enhances call clarity, minimizing background noise during conversations. The transmitter also supports multiple audio input options, including Bluetooth, an aux cable, and a TF card, giving you a lot of flexibility in how you listen to your music. Priced at just over $16, this model is an excellent value for its feature set. It's ideal for users who want a reliable, mid-range option with good audio performance and an adjustable design. However, the audio quality, while clear, may not match the depth and richness of higher-end models. Overall, the Nulaxy KM18 is a versatile and user-friendly choice for most vehicles. Our number 2 pick is another impressive device from Nulaxy, the 54-watt Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter. This model is packed with features, including 4 charging ports that support both PD 36-watt and QC 3.0 18-watt fast charging. This makes it an excellent choice for families or anyone who needs to charge multiple devices simultaneously on the go. The transmitter features Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures a more stable and efficient connection for both calls and music playback. Its one-touch bass enhancement button delivers a deeper and more immersive audio experience, perfect for music enthusiasts. Additionally, the 5-color LED backlighting adds a stylish and functional touch, making it easy to locate controls even in low light conditions. Despite being priced at just $14.99, this model offers high-end features typically found in more expensive devices. It's an ideal choice for users who want advanced charging capabilities, vibrant lighting effects, and excellent audio performance. The only downside is that its larger size may not fit snugly in all car cigarette lighter sockets, so be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Taking the #1 spot is the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter car adapter. At $24.99, this is the premium option on our list, and it delivers exceptional value for its price. With upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the Syncwire offers faster pairing, a more stable connection, and reduced latency. It also features intelligent dual USB ports with PD 36 watts and USB-A 12 watts fast charging capabilities, ensuring your devices stay powered up on the go. The Syncwire transmitter stands out with its hi-fi bass sound and noise suppression technology, providing a rich and immersive audio experience. Its rainbow LED lighting adds a fun, customizable flair to your car's interior, and you can easily switch off the lights with a double press of the B button if you prefer a more subdued look. The transmitter also supports seamless auto reconnection, so you don't need to pair your device every time you start your car. This model is perfect for tech-savvy users who demand top-notch audio quality, advanced features, and sleek design. The only potential drawback is its higher price point, but for those who want the best of the best, the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.